If You Give a Second Grader a Cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Javier a cookie,
Written by Brenden.
Written by Brenden, illustrated by Javier Salas. If you give Javier a cookie, he might want to play Minecraft. If he plays Minecraft, he might lose track of time. If he loses track of time, he might miss his bedtime. If he misses his bedtime the next day, he might be sleepy. If he's sleepy the next day, he's going to need something to eat. If he needs something to eat, he might eat cereal. If he eats cereal, he might want to go outside. If he goes outside, he might want to play. He might play soccer. If he plays soccer, he might get thirsty. If he's thirsty, he might want a glass of milk, and Javier's going to want a cookie to go with it.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeberg 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Javier Salas likes to eat cookies with milk, and he also likes dogs, cats, and ducks. Also, he loves pancakes. He plays soccer, and he plays Fortnite with his friends and sometimes with his sister.